Rabindranath World School organized Christmas Carnival on 24th December 2021, adhering strictly to COVID-19 protocols and safety guidelines. The chairman, Wing Commander Y.S. Tomar, and his wife, Mrs. Manisha Singh, the vice chairman, Mr. Gaurav Tomar, the principal, Mrs.Poonam Grover, and the academic director, Mrs. Munmun Banerjee, graced the occasion with their benign presence. The premises buzzed with various activities like fun, games, ramp walk, talent hunt, music fest, tattoo making, etc. Various food stalls were put up with lip-smacking food. Fun and frolic along with music and the charming Santa in the campus completely took over the zeal among students. The craze was such that they couldn't help tapping their feet to the 90s Hollywood and Bollywood songs. The principal expressed her delight on witnessing unwavering enthusiasm among children, which brought spirit of Christmas to life.